What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ian. Thanks so much for always coming back and watching my videos. I'm actually really excited to film today. I haven't filmed since January and it is now May 1st. I know that's not really consistent, but you know, stuff happens. I've been working a lot lately and I've just been really trying to get my life together. I don't know, it's been like something, I don't know how to explain it. Like when I turn on the camera, I always feel like I'm putting on some persona for the camera, and that's not really something I ever want this channel to be. I want it to be something very authentic, and I want it to be something that's very me. And so from now on, I think no matter what I post, it's going to be real and it's going to be exactly how I feel at that moment. It's just going to be whatever I want to post. So today's video is exactly that. So today's video has to do with my hair. I have another video filmed about my hair too that I'm gonna post if I haven't already. If I have, definitely go watch it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I promise y'all it's not gonna cost y'all any money. It's free, you know, come back and see this guy every now and then. I'm thinking about trying to post videos every Tuesday. That seems like a pretty good day for me, I think. Today's video is gonna be me just transforming me back into myself. I've been letting this hair grow out since a little fiasco. So what happened was I was wanting to lighten my hair a little bit in the beginning of the month. I wanted to lighten my hair. I wanted it to look like this, but instead, me trying to listen to everybody, trying to do all these different types of things and doing, I don't know, not listening to my gut, which was kind of stupid. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is my hair. If I'm gonna dye it using bleach and all that type of stuff, the first person you should listen to is yourself. I'm at the store and this lady's telling me use $30 developer. At this point, I've already dyed my hair 4 times. So like my ends are destroyed. I can't keep doing it. So my girlfriend helped me. She did everything she could to help me. I wanted it to turn out like this, and then it ended up looking like this 30 to 45 minutes later with bleach on my head. And so honestly, if I could show y'all pictures, I would, but I did this at like 8 o'clock at night and I had work at 7 a.m. the next morning, and I did not have time to fool around. I needed, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is not the time to be messing up your appearance when you have to go to work the next morning. So I definitely drove down the street, literally going like 80 in a 40 to go get some hair dye, and my girlfriend, she came in clutch. She helped me dye my hair back to it being a normal color, so y'all can't know how bad I messed my hair up. It ended up looking pretty okay, you know. I definitely noticed a difference, but it's okay. I like it a lot now that it's not orange and looking kind of like this, but you know, everybody has their mess ups. But today is gonna be just a transformation of myself. I'm gonna be turning myself into how, you know, I would normally look. You know, with a haircut, fresh braids, you know, and you're just gonna see me go through my day and how I get my look, pretty much. I'm going to a new barber, so hopefully this turns out okay. I'm kind of looking in the mirror now. I'm trying to actually, I don't know, have a consistent look. I have that puff that I usually do with my hair, but my hair's been growing and it's kind of getting to the point where it's a distraction. And honestly, I don't like the way when I walk under a door frame, my hair dusts the bottom of it, and then I sit down and like dust and all that stuff is in my hair. It's kind of gross. And I work in a hospital, so you never know what's actually in that dust. I could mess around and come home with pneumonia or something. First things first is I've got to take these braids out so that I can comb out all the dead hair, and then, I don't know, actually, well, y'all are just gonna see it, you know what I'm saying? You'll see it step by step. You'll see me take these down. You'll see me have to blow dry it again. Whenever I get my hair braided, which I try to do once a month now, these braids have been in for a month, so that's why they look so much like crap. And my hair is all grown in on the sides. Make sure you keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe down below, because you're actually not gonna miss out on nothing. Like I said before, I'm really excited to start really making my YouTube videos better, so stick around for that, and let's keep it pushing. Alright, so first things first, I gotta do is I gotta take out these braids, which is what I'm gonna do now. I really should have had all these materials done, my bad. So step one, complete. Take the braids down. After you've taken all the braids out your hair, the next thing you want to do is you want to go through and you want to comb out all of the different shed hair. Next thing you want to get done is that you want to get your hair cut, because after you get your hair cut, everything will fall into place. I'm going to get my hair cut, and then I'm going to come back, wash my hair, and you'll see how I flat iron it, which is going to be real interesting because I ain't really ever done that before. So we're going to see how that goes and make sure I don't burn my hair off. I want y'all to be able to get a good look at it so that you can see it and everything. And then I'm about to go get a haircut so y'all can see what happens next, like this. Okay. And I'm back, and I got my hair cut. See, it's faded on the side, so that way it's just the hair on the top. And I can keep all of my hair without actually having to make it so it's shortening up or anything like that. Now you just gotta wash your hair and condition it, so that's all I'm gonna do next. And I'm just gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna make sure I come back for the next step after that. Alright y'all, what's up? How y'all doing? So it's been literally a month since I recorded that last clip, and strictly solely for the fact that every single time I'll be ready to do my hair, either I got too busy or the girl who braids my hair would get too busy, who y'all saw in my, what's it called? In my vlog when I went to the Cajun Fest. I definitely am excited to get this done, but my stupid ass fell asleep for like 6 hours, so I gotta get this done. But yeah, it's been literally a month. I've been every time I try to get my hair done, they have to flat iron it, and I need to finally take care of this mess. I want to get my hair braided, and I want to finally get this done. So like I said previously, I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to try not to burn all my hair off when I flat iron it. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to go right into it. So I just got out of the shower and I washed the conditioner. I've been sitting in there since I fell asleep. Like I said, I'm going to blow dry it, then I'm going to flat iron it, and then she's going to come and braid it. So after that, it should be done. Now all I have to do is flat iron it and just get it braided. I'm not gonna lie, the flat ironing part was low-key terrifying me. That took about, I don't know, like 20-25 minutes. I'm just really worried about flat ironing part because I don't really know how to do that. I don't really have the hand-eye coordination to make sure, you know, to do some comb thing that they're doing in these YouTube videos. I don't know how to use a comb like that, so I think I'm just gonna use a brush and prayerfully it turns out the same. If it doesn't, oh well, it's gonna go in braids anyway. So I thought the camera was on, and it hasn't been since I finished flat ironing my hair. So what I just got done is I got my ends trimmed. I wish I could show y'all, but you know, I got some of the edges trimmed off, and I didn't lose really any length, so it's not that my hair is shorter, but it looks fine. So yeah, my bad. So we're gonna keep it moving. Next, I'm just gonna get my hair braided. I have 4 braids like I usually do, and I guess y'all see the finished product. Alright guys, well that's how I get my braids right now. I'm just going to have my do-rag on it to keep them flat, and you know, the longer you keep your do-rag on them, you don't really mess with them, the longer they'll last, which is usually how I get them to last about a month. But that's the video for today. Thank you all so much for watching. It only took a month to film, so please give this video a thumbs up. If you do like this channel, if you like how I do my hair and like that, just, you know, give me a thumbs up and give me a comment. What do you think about it? Do you think my forehead looks long as hell? Do you think that I could get a whole tattoo here? I don't know. I think that I could, honestly. But I think her name is Maria. I think Maria did a great job, and I don't know, I really like it. So I'm about to put my do-rag on and probably leave it on for the next couple of days. I'm going to be traveling tomorrow because I have an interview coming up, so hopefully y'all can see this video and y'all can see that vlog. So please keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Again, leave a comment and a like if you think it. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, my name is Ian Harrison, and the O in Harrison is a 0. It's on all my platforms: Snapchat, Instagram, what's that other one? Twitter. But yeah, I usually post my videos on there. I upload every single Tuesday. I'm trying to make sure I'm consistent with that. So thank you so much for everything. And everybody who's been watching. I actually gained 2 new subscribers. I definitely noticed that. I don't know how to pronounce one of the names, but the other one is Zaria, so thank you so much for subscribing. I definitely noticed every single one of you guys who come and who leave, but hopefully we get more who come instead of leaving. Again, thank you all so much for everything that you've been doing. You support me in my journey on this YouTube channel. I can't thank you enough and how appreciative I am of that, so thank you, and I will see you all in the next video.